This is the county mall in Crawley. This is the county mall in Epsom. And these are the lifts. These are originally Kone M-Series lifts. They were really nice, but they've been modernised, and the modernisation has made them slower, less efficient, and just all round worse. There's absolutely no way in which the modernisation has improved this lift. It's now, it's just a long time to start up. It's now, it's late. A nice ride to myself in these lifts.
Car park, level 4. Doors.
In fact, I'm not sure if they still have it, but last time I came here, they're so inefficient. There's actually a sign telling people who weren't disabled or had buggies, who didn't need to use the lifts, to use the escalators as an act of courtesy, because that's how inefficient the lifts are. From here you get a view of the train station. That is fire exit. I haven't managed to find any secret lifts.
Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors. Going down. Upper mount floor.
This used to be an example of an efficient lift, now it's a prime example of an inefficient lift. I've come too late to film this in Debenhams because it's closed. They are Otis 2000s.